Hello students, today we are going to discuss the topic global warming and its effect in this chapter, weather and climate. We are going to focus upon the concept of global warming and effects of global warming and what preventive steps we can take to control it. First of all, what is global warming? The average increase of Earth's temperature is causing global warming. Global warming is a self-explanatory word, means these two words are defining themselves a lot. For instance, we take global word, where this word has derived from. It has been derived from the word globe, and as you all are well aware that globe is a 3D model of Earth. And what is the meaning of warming? Warming means increase or rise in the temperature of a particular object. And here we are talking about Earth. So, rise in the temperature of Earth is global warming. And if we go according to the definition, it is the average increase of Earth's temperature. What are the effects of global warming? Now, there are many side effects of global warming on our climate. First of them is deforestation. Deforestation can be bifurcated in two words. Deforestation. Forestation is derived from the word forest. Planting more and more trees grows up into a forest, and if on the contrary we cut them down, means cutting down of trees in large scale is called deforestation. And obviously if we cut more and more trees, the level of oxygen will go down and the level of carbon dioxide in the air will come up, and this will create an imbalance in our ecosystem. Now, if the temperature rises or if there is any imbalance in the air, the carbon dioxide increases, oxygen goes down, then the temperature will rise and the ice caps on the poles, the North Pole and South Pole, will definitely start melting. This will increase the water content in the sea. We can understand this with a very simple example. When after this session, after this video, you fetch a glass of water from the refrigerator, just fill it half and then add 2 ice cubes into that glass of water. After some time, you will see that the cubes will melt in the glass and the water will increase. You have not added any more water. The ice will melt and increase the water level. Similarly, it happens with the sea also. If the glaciers are melting, as you can see on the screen, glaciers are big ice landmass, a big ice chunk, and when it slowly melts, it increases the water level of the sea. Now what if there is increase in the water level of sea? What will happen? Here you can see on the screen there is a photograph of the coastal area. Coastal areas are those areas which are near the seashores, near the sea. What will happen if the water content in the sea will rise? The land near the sea, which is known as the coastal area, it will submerge. Submerge means the water will flow over the land and destroy it. It will not be hospitable. Nobody will be able to reside at these places. Now we discussed the definition of global warming and the effects of global warming. Now we will look into the preventive steps which we can take to tackle this problem. First of all, planting more trees. Planting more trees will increase the oxygen level in the atmosphere and decrease the carbon dioxide level. Switching to LED bulbs. From regular bulbs, we should switch to LED bulbs. Before leaving the rooms or the classrooms or the offices, we must switch off the lights or fans if nobody is there. This will save the electricity. We must use solar heaters. What will happen here is we will utilize more natural sunlight and electricity will be saved. If we use environmental friendly sprays which are having no chlorofluorocarbons, it will also help to control the global temperature. Here you heard a new word, chlorofluorocarbon. What a chlorofluorocarbon is? It is an organic compound that is being added to the atmosphere and it is released from perfumes, deodorant sprays, refrigerators and air conditioners. We must control the usage of such things which increases the CFC element in the atmosphere. On this screen you can clearly see what is the role of chlorofluorocarbon in the atmosphere. At the troposphere you can see the CFC elements are increasing upwards. They are depleting the ozone layer. Students, ozone layer is a protective layer which controls the harmful sun rays. They control them and they don't reach us. But if this protective cover is being destroyed by CFCs, sooner or later the harmful sun rays will affect us. So it's better to avoid such harmful sprays. Hope the concept of global warming and effects of global warming are clear to you.